If opulence is your ocean, then let Azzam be your vessel to navigate the seas of splendor. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking main salon, a masterpiece of classic French Empire style, from the polished woodwork to the majestic moldings. Each piece of furniture isn't just placed, it's carefully curated to echo timeless elegance. Next, wander through the guest suites, where themes range from the tranquility of the sea to the richness of the earth, all equipped with lavish ensuite bathrooms. Picture yourself dining under the soft glow of exquisite chandeliers in the grand dining area, designed to transform every meal into a lavish banquet. Relax in the library or lounge, surrounded by sumptuous seating and walls lined with literary classics, providing a perfect blend of intellectual and luxury retreat. And not to be overlooked, the pool and tap room offer seamless luxury, with stunning views and sophisticated beverages, making every moment aboard Azzam not just a stay but an experience.